Real estate is a unique experience that the family shares to look for a property for their home.
It's getting to know each individual family and their needs in order to find the right spot for them.
We decided to join forces and become a team so we can deliver a superior experience for our customers.
Alex's background in technology allows for the maximum exposure for your home to be seen and sold. My background in interior design allows for us to show homes that meet our clients' needs. We had a listing at 7 p.m. on a Friday night, and by Saturday morning at 11 a.m., Alex had a full listing offer in hand.
Part of the reason that we had that was because we already had the information, key information that you want to provide to your clients so that they can make a knowledgeable decision, because real estate is a big investment.
Many times we have buyers coming to see the house with family, and together as a team we're able to manage those families that come to see these properties.
They never felt that they weren't being taken care of, but being us a team, we're able to deliver that experience, and we do that for every house that we list.
Right now, real estate is moving fast. We don't waste any time when it comes to marketing, and that allows us to get it seen and sold. I'm Carolina.
And I'm Alex Sanchurioto.
And we're here to help you find your spot in paradise.